for northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland.
Until 11:15 p.m. At 10:28 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over Prince Frederick, moving north at 5 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60
Hazard,
miles per hour
with gusts.
Source,
radar indicated.
Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, La Plata, Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Breezy Point, Howland Point, St. Charles, St. Leonard, Accokeek, Brandywine, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Baden, Requesco, Bryantown, Benedict, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, Barstow, and Port Republic. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The National Weather
Now, at 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Prince Frederick, moving north. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Subchannels.
Winter winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Me TV.
Light objects may become projectiles.
Me TV.
Impacted include Waldorf.
We're gonna have a long night.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia,
South Georgia's Prince George's County in central Maryland, West Central Calvert County in southern Maryland, Charles County in southern Maryland, until 1:45 a.m.
At 10:44 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Additional rain flash flooding is
Expected to begin shortly.
hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source,
radar.
Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of streets, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waldorf, Prince Frederick, Breezy Point, St. Charles, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Baden, Requesco, Bryantown, Eagle Harbor, Barstow, Bear Beach. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Marine forecast.
Watch remains in effect until Sunday.
The flash flood watch continues for portions of
Central Virginia, Northern Virginia, Northwest Virginia, and Western Virginia.
Numerous showers. The following areas. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots.
Northern Frontier.
impact, flash flooding of small creeks. When encountering
Oh gosh.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in
Sterling, Virginia, has expanded the flash flood watch to include a portion of southern Maryland, including the following area: until
the following county: Hanover, Virginia.
storms will be capable of 5 inches within an hour or two. This may cause streams and creeks to rapidly rise, as well as potential flash flooding in urban areas. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Southwest freeway dealing with a pretty serious accident seen just before the 7th Street exit. That's a pretty serious
Local weather emergency. Important information will follow. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash
for southeastern Prince George's County and central Maryland.
We interrupt this emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan AM
44 p.m. Eastern
Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The impact is life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways.
Any sense of running?
Stop. It's 10:52. With soaring temperatures, parents beach.
dangers of hot vehicles, especially after an incident earlier this week in Fairfax County, where a 5-year-old boy died after being left in a hot SUV. 39 kids died. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Calvert, Charles, and St. Mary's, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for
Southern Calvert County in southern Maryland, Charles County in southern Maryland, northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, until 6 a.m. Sunday. At 11:54 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waldorf, La Playdale, Howland Point, Sheridan Point, Flag Harbor, Golden Beach, St. Charles, St. Leonard, Wicomico, Hughesville, Long Beach, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Calvert Beach, Bryantown, Benedict, Helen, Chapsicum, Morganza, Loveville. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
now for the official national